In a pile of discarded scrap, I found a soul screaming in silence. Time and harsh humidity have cloaked it in a thick, decaying red crust. It was once a craftsman's pride, a key player in thousands of solid joints. But now, it lies as a frozen block of junk, waiting for the day it's melted down into something else entirely. Disassembly isn't just taking things apart. It's a painful surgical procedure. The rust acts like thorns embedded deep within the steel, seizing every joint tight. I must use my strength carefully, for the line between saving and destroying is incredibly thin right now. Each hammer blow rings out like a wake-up call, stirring an entity that has been dormant for far too long. Looking at these tiny parts, I wonder how many hands they've passed through and how many structures they've seen rise. Every weak spring and worn rivet carries its own distinct memory. As I separate them, I feel like I'm liberating them from a prison of neglect, preparing them for a new and more brilliant chapter in their long existence. Observe the magic of chemistry. As the bubbles begin to surge, the dark past is cast aside. This solution doesn't just strip away the rust, it washes away the despair. This is the moment of transition, where the scars of time dissolve into nothingness, to allow the raw, powerful essence of the steel to reveal itself to the world once more. It's the sound of life returning, a symphony of friction and heat. The steel begins to warm up, as if blood is flowing again through its metallic veins. After years of freezing in a dark corner, it has finally found the warmth and attention it has long craved from human hands.
Patience is the greatest virtue of a restorer. I spend hours just caressing every metal surface with increasingly fine sandpaper. Every movement of my arm is a promise of perfection. I can feel every pit and scratch fading beneath my grease-stained fingertips. We aren't just smoothing out a surface. We are meticulously refining its very character and identity.
Look at that. True beauty is starting to shine through. From a dull gray object, it transforms into something as brilliant as a black diamond. When I see my own reflection clearly in the steel, I know its soul has truly returned. This shine isn't superficial. It's a testament to the inner strength of steel when cared for by a sincere heart and meticulous hands.
Reassembly is a sacred ritual. Every bar and joint is coated with a golden layer of protective grease, much like oiling a time machine. When I squeeze the handle and see the X mechanism moving rhythmically and silently, I feel a surge of satisfaction in my chest. It is the smoothness of a fresh start, a proud and definitive rebirth of a classic tool. Every hammer strike on the anvil marks a milestone, confirming its solid existence from this point forward. I'm not just riveting, I'm mending the fractures caused by time. These sharp, metallic sounds are a declaration to the world. I am back, and I am stronger than ever. No more fragility, only the sturdiness and power of a high-class professional tool remains.
Listen to that decisive pop. It's the final confirmation of a grueling journey. From a pile of rust discarded in an old shop, it's now ready to continue its mission for decades to come. Restoration isn't just about fixing objects. It's about respecting the past and building the future. Thank you for helping me awaken this forgotten king of tools.